Hey, alrighty guys. We got a Donkey Stomper 16 pill. This is a newer build. It's one I just built. Gentleman sent it back and said he thought he blowed a pill in it or whatever. Didn't blame me. See, wasn't looking for a warranty or nothing like that. It's okay, send it in, I'll check it. Y'all seen the video of it. It's a real good box. It's a C box, 16 C box. So come in here, and this resistor right here was burnt out. It's heating up. Alright, I got to playing around. Looking, studying. I found a piece of a clipping right here up under this pill. Like where I've been clipping off resistors, and it was hitting the ground on the input side to ground. And it was shutting down this pill. So when it shut down this pill, it's causing the inbounds 22 and burning this resistor. So that's pretty much, what was wrong with it, and that's a warranty job, because I tried to clean them out and try to make sure there's nothing left in them, but somehow or another one snuck a little piece of, I'll show you what it looked like. I'm going to put it back in there, just a little piece of wire right there, off a resistor clipping, was laid up under here, and I didn't have to tell him that, but I'm going to do what's right. It was shorting out the input, but it probably wasn't doing it when I put it together. By the time it shook and shipping and all that all the way up there, that's what happened. So I went ahead and took that out, cleaned it out. I went ahead and changed this, upgraded them all just a little bit too, to a bigger one. Just trying to fix him up the best I could. This not even getting warm now. Even though everybody says, oh, you can't run 5-watt resistors because I'm totally about bull crap. If you run 5-watt resistor and it's got an imbalance, you put your finger on it, it'll burn your finger. So if it's bad. So it don't take no rocket scientists. But we got him all up ready to go. Should be good. Let's set the tin back up there. I just want to show y'all what was going on. And I'm going to go ahead and ship this thing back to you, man, free of charge. I'll pay shipping back and fix it. This don't happen much, but under this circumstance, got to do what's right. You got to keep good karma going, guys. You want good things to happen to you, you got to do right. I mean, that's me. If I do wrong, bad things happen. And that's always been me. All right, we got 2 pill on, let's see, hello on 14.6. All right. 2 pill on 14.6. Worldwide. And I went to the other video just for kicks and giggles. I went over and looked because I wanted to see what it was doing, make sure it was still doing the same, as it did before we did anything to it. All right, so you see that. Let's go ahead and turn our voltage up to 15.8. Actually, I'm going to go up to about, my power supply is a little bit small for this, so I'll go up to about 16 and then drop down. We're going to turn that old hot 2 pill on, just regular drive, 2 pill in there. I'll show you. Just so you show you. Oh, if anybody's got any questions about my meter doing that meter, look here. I like the coax goes down. That meter catches a little bit of power supply noise and does that off that cheap power supply. So that's why it shows a little bit when that's keyed up sometimes. But it don't affect it when it's keyed up. Alright. So we're going to put in, wait a minute. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 457. 457, hello, worldwide. Go over and look at your bird. 5,000 watt slug. Hello, 3,500. That's how it should be, really, about. It's almost hitting 39. Hell, it was hitting 39 right there. Let's get up there. So, it's a hot box. Just for the meter beaters, we'll hit it hard one time like we did the other day. The only reason I'm doing this is so you can see it's back to where it was. One time for the march downs, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Seen that? 5,000 watt. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 1. So it's back where it was, man. But I may even hit a little harder today was playing with it, but that's good enough. That's the only reason I hooked this box right here up. I started out to hook it up, and I thought, man, if I don't hook that box up and show you all the big watts, then you'll think something else is still wrong with it. So I had to hook it up so you can see the big watts again. I wouldn't run it that way. I just run a little 2 pill into it and go on about my business. But you can do what you want to. Anyway, I don't usually want transistors no matter what, but this wasn't a bad transistor. Like I said, that piece of wire So this one right here is on me, buddy. Can't promise you this happening again or whatever if it ever breaks on you, but I found something wrong, and like I said, when you send a box back to me and I go into it, it's at my own discretion whether it's warranted or not. And I go in there and I find something wrong that's something to do with the builder, like that. I mean, that was a builder flaw. I'll take care of it, but it's going to be at my own discretion. I'm not going to lose a bunch of money because people blowing boxes, running too hard, and so forth. So she's under warranty. We'll get her back together and seal her back up and get her back to you. We'll ship her right back to you free of charge. Alrighty, guys, please take time to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I appreciate you. Please take time to join our YouTube membership, guys. Check out our merch store and all the cool giveaways and stuff we got going on, discounts and fun and donkey stomping. Appreciate you guys. Y'all take care. You know who it is. Your friend 10 018B with Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.